welcome to another edition of Within the Pixels. What we're going to do is be taking a look at Privilege Manager today, the Delinea product, and what we're going to do is take a closer look at application policies and what happens when an application policy and the conditions are met. What the next course of the next piece of movement, though, that happens within the process is what's called an action. So an action is going to be again, when the conditional logic is met, the applications targeted are the conditions that are met, and maybe some groups or users maybe included those in the policy. Any of those conditions are met and satisfies, then what we're going to do is we're going to come into what's called actions. So we take a look at actions, and what we're going to do here is we see that we have all these particular actions. Some of the more popular ones are add administrative rights. So what that's going to do, if a particular user is in a least privileged state, what we're going to do is elevate their process token and give them the ability to either install an app or run an app as an administrator. Scrolling down here, we can also see over here on the right side, if we take a look over here, we got a column called supported. So what this does is if we filter this down, we see Mac and we see Windows. So if we come over here and we take a look at supported, and then we're going to not supported. And then what we're going to do here, we can see under these actions here for the combined of Windows and Mac, we see that we have these collective actions. And then if we were to come in here and take a look at the Mac and filter that out, we could filter that in. We could see all the Mac actions. So I'm going to filter that back out. And then we're going to come in here and take a look at the Windows. So we see the Windows applications now coming through, the actions now, and we're scrolling through here. So we can see that we have quite a few pretty agile types of actions. So we can do things such as when a message or a particular application is being blocked, we can do a denied message and inform the user of why. We have UAC suppression, all the way down to just-in-time types of activities, file inventory activities, you name it, we have it in here within the actions, and this helps us create these finely grained controls on subsequent actions that take place after a policy is invoked within the Privilege Manager. So that is what I'm showing today, and thank you for watching. And if you have any comments, put them below in my LinkedIn. Thank you.